Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 20th March 2026. Indian pharmaceutical units face a severe crisis. Input costs have surged by 200 to 300%. This is due to global conflicts disrupting raw material supply. The Himachal Drug Manufacturers Association seeks government intervention. They want emergency price controls and a crisis task force. This aims to protect the industry and ensure medicine availability. The Reserve Bank of India stepped in to assure markets about HDFC Bank's governance following the unexpected resignation of its part-time chairman, citing values and ethics. Despite the RBI's statement, the bank's stock experienced a significant intraday fall, contributing to broader market declines. Management stated they had no insight into the chairman's reasons for leaving. India is set for a massive renewable energy boost. Solar power capacity is expected to quadruple and wind energy capacity to triple over the next decade. This will significantly reduce the nation's reliance on coal for electricity. Non-fossil fuel capacity will reach 786 gigawatts by 2035-36. Solar energy will form the largest part of this clean power mix. As concerns over the Gulf War loom large, Indian retailers are slashing prices on electronics and home appliances to attract cautious consumers and clear their stock. With a noticeable dip in smartphone and TV sales, many anticipate further hikes in product prices. Shoppers are tightening their belts and re-evaluating their purchasing habits. Crude prices surged past $119 a barrel as attacks on Gulf energy assets including Qatar's LNG plants and Saudi Arabia's Yanbu refinery intensified fears of prolonged market disruptions. Indian policymakers are preparing for a sustained supply crunch and higher energy prices, with refiners worried about absorbing rising costs amid government reluctance to approve retail fuel price hikes. Indian Bank is raising 50 billion rupees through 7-year infrastructure bonds next week. This move aims to fund stronger credit growth and capital requirements. The bank is seeking longer-term funding as deposit rates have increased. Discussions with investors like the Employee Provident Fund organizations are underway. This issuance marks the bank's return to the bond market after over 17 months. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.